the tea.
Sorry?
I mean...
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It is day 9 of our Steamies of Sodor backyard hunt. Today we went on the hunt for Gordon. Now, this hunt took place in Croftsdale, Clarendon. Yes, you guessed it, we went on a road trip. On this road trip, we drove across the flat bridge. And yes, that's what it really looks like. We flowed along with the ripples and waves of the Rio Cobre. We stood atop a hill and took in the sights of the Worthy Park estates and sugarcane fields. We drove by the Worthy Park sugarcane factory, drove through the cane fields. Wow, now look at that. Isn't nature amazing? It was indeed a lovely day outside our regular environment, breathing in that fresh air, taking in the sights and sounds of the country. You know, we figured why not make the day exciting for Zizah by taking our hunt elsewhere. Before we go, please remember to give us a little like, subscribe, and share.
Out of my way! Express coming through!
Now, let's learn a little bit more about Gordon. Gordon is the number 4 blue engine who pulls the express. As the senior member of the engine family, he is the fastest and most powerful of the Fat Controller's team, and he knows it. He's good-hearted, always willing to forgive, and uses his superior strength to help smaller engines out of trouble. Gordon is mainly used for passenger duties, which he takes great pride in, but on occasion, he's asked to pull the goods train. This, he thinks, is beneath him. Oh, the indignity.
Let's go!
Let's go! Oh,
No, Emily!
it's Emily. Oh, What's Emily doing up here?
Let's go to find Diesel 10.
There's no diesel 10, but what else who else do you think you want? What about who else do you think?
Let's search.
Okay, let's search. Oh! What's that box doing there? What's happening in that box? Ooh.
This is from Diesel 10.
Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Oh.
No!
No!
The end!
No, it's not. Oh, it says, what does it say? What does it say here? Be grateful.
Let's go find Diesel 10.
There's no diesel 10 though, baby. Think. Who else do you want?
Diesel 10.
Diesel 10, you only want it, but I don't have diesel 10. Think again. There's Emily, there's Gordon, there's Kevin. Who else?
Go, Kevin.
Kevin? You think Kevin? Think again. Ooh. Alright. Ooh, where else could we go? Where else could we go? Let's go over that side. Let's see. Maybe. You're thinking about Kevin? I don't think there's any Kevin. Oh, you're under the guava tree. Oh, look at this. It's a guava tree. I see a guava too. See anything else but guava? There's your box. Oh, let's see what's inside. There's something in there? Let's see. Who's that?
It's going.
It's Gordon.
It's Gordon.
You finally got Gordon?
His Dyson Express coming through.
Express coming through!
They have Gordon, There's Gordon, there's Thomas, and Percy.
I'm going to green square. Square. Well, yes. About to go. Ah! This is holding my forehead. This is my express coming through. Yes, Gordon. The Wiccan! Oh my! I don't know what it is!
As the saying goes, all good things must come to an end, and so we're heading home. It was a good, fun-filled day, and we thank you for hanging with us. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share the content, and we'll see you in the next one. Walk good.